Solemnly tells his mom that he slept with Nolita. Rebecca, you need to confess and tell Nandi the truth. Kuma is no longer hiding Mshika Waku, push her right in front of Solom's, and Rebecca is not happy about this. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Ukuma comes with a bogisi Guba that he dug up, and Uti Solom's how, what are you doing? You're stealing right in front of me. Ati, please don't use that language, and you know the rule here Unandi. So I tried to blackmail her. There's nothing he can do because he doesn't want Kuma to tell Nandi that he slept with Nolita. Asangena go Kuma how Rebecca comes in, finds a bogisi that was dug up from a Mangwabeni. What's going on here? What is it that's happening here? Because we're keeping secrets from each other. But what is it that you're doing now? So why is Gamavovo still alive? You knew all this time. I say, okay, fine, I can excuse it because I know you're trying to protect Unandi. I could not kill Gamavovo because he loves Ukaya, and that's how Namyamtanda Ukaya. Let's live in the Gamavovo, let's focus on Kuma. What is it that he has on you? I slept with Unolita Umfazwak. I slept with his wife. Rebecca and Ukuma Rebecca was like, what? Walala nenyoka Solomzi, you slept with a snake. She's frustrated because what were you thinking? How could you let to farm Julia Fana no Nolita to play you like that? Yazufana no back you just like your father. But anyway, I know you probably did this to get back to head to Kuma. And now I realize they're not lying when they say that an apple doesn't fall far from the tree. And then this is war. You need to fix it. Confess, tell Nandi the truth. Confess to Nandi, tell her that you slept with Nolita. How can I do that? You need to do it, or else like trap. And then Umamsonda goes to see Unandi no Solomzi to see the baby because Ukaya has been unwell. Realizes Ukaya has a spot at the back, that thing that's called Ibala, but this kid needs to go to a traditional healer. Let me call my mom, and that's you're not calling your mom. Let's ask Umarumbulalan, maybe he can help us find a healer that we can take him to. And then Nelly suggests they move in together. Nae wants to move out of home so they can stay together and Tenji's house. So Porana and work together. We'll see. Ukuma hears about Tenji wants to move out and goes to speak to her saying, please don't move out. No, I need to leave because we'll end up killing each other. And then, same time, I finds out all this time, Martha has been seeing Ulandan, and Ulandan has been playing her, and says we need to expose him. They go live and find Ulandan with a girlfriend, and they start taking a video. They're live on Instagram. I'm confronting Martha with how can you do this to me after everything I've done for you? You were using me and all that. I was rushing, buying you things. The girlfriend lost it, saying, you know what, I want nothing to do. Because all this time, girlfriend thought Martha was their cousin. And then Landan's like, no, we can all date. No, mom cool, no, mom ngan. That's why you're crazy. You're not going to do that. Then Landan goes to Martha to apologize. Martha says, you know what, you're not going to stop seeing me. You're going to continue hanging out so I can continue making my ex-boyfriend jealous. And that's the only way I can forgive you. And I want my phone back. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.